Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to set up Okta with Microsoft 365. Integrating these two platforms lets us enable single sign-on, automate user provisioning, and improve security across our organization. Let's get started. On the Okta dashboard, we go to Applications. Look for Applications on the left side of the dashboard. Click this, tap Done, and then click this Applications. Once we are here, we click here to open the catalog. When it loads, we just need to click this, type Office. Here we see Microsoft Office 365. Click this and add the integration. Here, we set up our phone or text options too. After each step, we continue to the next topic. When we finish, we are now connected with Microsoft 365. This setup helps us simplify user access while keeping security strong.